Morning, my money militia. It is December 2nd, 9:25 a.m. Nothing really doing on the market today. It's a little hot. It's like fucking 29 degrees or some shit outside in New York right now. Cold, nigga. It's colder than a motherfucker. Yeah, this bitch going down. I'm stirring the pot on, what is this thing, stock tweet? Whatever the fuck it is. Probably staying out of the market today. Nothing's caught my eye. There was just huge bid sizing going on. But this stock is a piece of shit. Literally a pump and dump. So it's dumping today. I was hoping for the same, I swear, but look at yesterday's pre-market chart. It does not resemble today's whatsoever. No big rush, I promise. Peep my YouTube channel, maybe you'll learn something, and I say that with the utmost respect. Cheers. What the fuck is my YouTube channel? There we go. Bang, nigga. Is she gonna pop up?
It started in 1898, helping clients and communities invest in hospitals, schools, roads and bridges, farmland and forests, small and large businesses, and sustainable cities around the globe. It continues today.
Catb,
120 years
or Catb. Let me see this one real
investing
quick.
to make an enduring impact on our world.
The opening bell is brought to you by New Beam,
5 million.
a leader in
Really?
income, alternatives, and responsible investing.
All right, let's get to a mad dash as we got only 2 minutes before we get to an opening bell, Jim. It's hump day, by the way. McDonald's on the menu for you.
Well, Piper lowered comps today, and remember, it's because they spoke with management. The decreased consumer mobility, lower price
I might play Catb.
sales disruptions. To me, McDonald's is one of the companies that has done quite well in the pandemic. Now we're really starting to narrow it down to Chipotle. I think Chipotle is really the only company that's managed to be able to do digital and make it so that they can make as much money from one of their stores in a pandemic as they can. They can't otherwise. I mean, Yum's trying to come back, but David, McDonald's. I mean, you're talking about a company that's been able to survive and do anything it can. And this
Oh,
is
look at that.
of what I think maybe even we can't handle
What's it gonna do?
as this thing goes on and on.
Hello? Really?
Well, they cut numbers.
Actually, its pre-market chart looks like it.
Well, I mean, Chipotle does really well.
I know it does.
Nice.
I'm reporting
I got a new subscriber on YouTube. Let's go.
McDonald's was a breakout stock.
Shout out, Rich. I'm shouting you out, player. Good looking, bro. Hopefully you learned something, man. I'm just trying to educate and make money and document my journey. That's pretty much it. But I am looking at CBAT a little bit. I already know this bitch is a pump and dump. She can get her shit together.
But Chipotle, if we put that chart up, I think we'll see that is the burrito bowl without, remember, you can just have it with the meat or chicken.
Got it. I'll keep that in mind. Carl?
Yeah, guys.
What's she gonna do? People want this stock to go up. But there's something that keeps it down. Something that always keeps it down.
A little bit of a give back here as we see the S&P turn a little bit red. Although we keep thinking about some of these metrics that roll in from November, Jim. The number of S&P 500 names that were green in November.
Ears. Okay, Ears making a move.
Which is almost as much as the April record of 470. So you have to work hard to
just there was a rolling bull market week by
Ooh,
week where
what happened?
you had FANG, then you had the oils, then you had the industrials, then you had retail, and then
Oh,
you started all over
she
again.
really getting shit
Throughout
on.
this, we even got banks doing well because people keep talking about inflection in the yield curve. I don't see that happening yet, but it's true. I mean, cash was terrible, and you had to work hard. You
Oba.
can't, David. It is so difficult
Oba.
to find a company that screwed up, that really didn't do a good job. Particularly because remember, a lot of the S&P they did pretty well overseas, and the overseas been very well. Japan's been very good. We never talk about Japan.
No, we
In
don't.
1988, we used to start all sentences with Japan.
We did. During their period of great ascendance when they were taking everything over. Remember, Rockefeller Center for a brief period of time?
I'm not impressed with anything in the market today.
As a banking reporter in 1987,
I know
banks were playing big
I
time.
usually don't post anything when I don't trade, but I figured I would at least show you guys I'm not. Oh, hold up. I might actually trade today. Hold up.
Swan, right?
I do.
Intel was not even in the top 10 semiconductors then. They were all Japanese.
Right. But they have, to your point, there's been a nice rebound there.
Yes.
When you hear their technology companies traded far less for multiples than do ours, by the way.
And look, the gaming companies, they dominate gaming. We know from Lisa Su that gaming is
Really?
Take a look at shares of Sony, for example.
It's incredible.
What a year Sony's had. It's not a name we talk about that often.
Should.
I know. Put up SNE. I mean, it's been a great performer this year, has Sony. Of course, PlayStation, to your point, has been a key part of that, although they benefited at
I could have taken that trade.
PlayStation's been great.
Do you remember, David,
Whoa.
that when you would get the call that around 9 o'clock at night, we're taking up Tokyo Electron, you're probably going to get involved? I mean, Japan was at, I don't know, when their Nikkei was at 38,000, we were, I don't know, substantially below it. And there's the dollar amount of square footage in Tokyo, Dave. Remember, it was like, it was equal to like an acre in the United States.
Yeah. It was quite something.
And that's when the enigma of Japanese power was tested.
Right. I know. Well, that's
And
why
now-
we were focused on them in terms of trade, Carl, as well. Yeah.
Is it interesting?
And now we're talking about
1987.
China.
Yep.
Oh yeah, China's doing well.
And as relative to China now, Jim, Biden talks to Tom Friedman in the Times this morning, says that he will leave the China tariffs in place while he does a full China review with allies, but it does not look like that is going to get rolled back anytime soon after the January 20th.
No, I mean that gives Peter Navarro one more chance to raise him even more. Navarro, how's he working his Chinese back? Carl, I have to tell you that if he gave up
Damn.
those tariffs without getting anything in return, I don't know. The headlines would be horrendous. But he is working with the coalition of the willing, as Larry Kudlow used to talk about, all the European companies. Now, I think one of the things that people don't recognize, if you go to Milan, what are all the posters? What are all the billboards? It's about the Belt and Road Initiative. I mean, the Chinese have made inroads in Europe to the point where I don't think that President-elect Biden understands you're not going to find a lot of countries in Europe that are going to stand with him against China. So what will happen is that I predict that we'll get rid of tariffs. There'll be a big agricultural buy. That's one of the reasons why the stock of deer has been very strong. But that's about it.
Damn, son, this construction is annoying.
Many presidents previously, with let's say, the elites in getting things so that the deals are good. Have more diapers, David.
More diapers.
Well, we gotta sell more diapers into China.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Right.
Coca-Cola Company of America. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
How about the semiconductor?
Well, we don't have a lot of that anymore. Intel's the one.
Right.
Real manufacturing, at least.
Yeah. Bob's a financial guy.
Yeah, we're nowhere near where we once were in terms of that, obviously.
No, but I just don't think you can just
I
go
wouldn't send me
to the Chinese and say, hey, you know what, guys? Without getting anything in return, we're stripping everything that Trump did. I want to
She wants to uptrend, but I'm scared of this bitch, honestly.
Do we really have to hear? Do we? Jeez, no. Carl, the dollar also plays in it. It's not something we talk about that often. Certainly, maybe if Sarah joins us in the 10, she'll want to talk. But it's been weak lately, as you know. Even with yesterday, that move in the bond market. It'll be interesting to see how that
Oh, whoa, this bitch really want to take off. Holy shit.
Skyrocketing. Maybe that's also the dollar's up a little bit there, but you can see what it's been doing lately.
Carl, people are not talking enough
Yeah,
about what will happen with the earnings with the weaker dollar. When you're in an Apple call or Procter & Gamble call, it's all this constant currency, constant currency. Can you imagine what it's going to be like when you're on a J&J call and the dollar is going to be positive? Do you know how the upward
Yeah,
revisions
I
we're
mean-
going to get?
Talk about Coke, you just mentioned McDonald's, Walmart. Yeah, I mean, that's going to be a huge effort by Janet Yellen as Treasury Secretary, if she's confirmed, to make sure that there is a global agreement on where the dollar should stand. But the potential upside for currency effects on the S&P, Jim, is powerful. I did want to get you on some of the names, travel related. Obviously, had a great run in November. Norwegian did suspend all voyages through the end of February.
Oh, let's go, baby.
And of course, JetBlue.
1,400 divided by 2.05.
That would be about 682
Yeah, look,
points.
I think that, remember what we said yesterday when the deals were announced, some of the younger investors thrive on them. Norwegian, by the way, is going to be the one where I predict that you will have to take a PCR test before you get on. All the people who work on the boats will have PCR tests, and you're going to have a COVID-free environment on Norwegian cruise. This is what Frank Del Rio is going to be promising. Maybe I'm front running what he wants to do a little bit, but that's one of the reasons why the Robinhood people will not stop. They're not going to stop. Robinhood is a border for younger investors who think bigger than older investors who are only worried about the quarter. David, I speak to a number of younger investors because they think I'm making fun of them, which I'm not. And they look at Norwegian and they say, do you really think that no one's going to cruise next year at this time? I want to buy Norwegian. What does Wall Street want to do? They want to look at some number, room rate number. The younger people don't think like that. They think Norwegian is going to be back, and let's buy some.
How do the younger people feel about Salesforce? By the way, a company that hits every box when it comes to sustainability, social awareness. I mean, its ESG scores have to be extremely high, given Mr. Benioff. I mentioned Salesforce because the stock gets crushed.
I think
Down
There we go.
10%. Not just off the quarter, but off people, questioning, as you pointed out earlier, just how much they're paying. We told you it was going to be a big number for Slack. And then this larger idea, Jim, that this is a company that is made up largely of a lot of different acquisitions.
Well, but they've
for $50 billion over the last 3 years, so that's a big number.
Tableau's been great. Exact Target's been great. MuleSoft's been great. He knows how to integrate. When you speak with Mark, he always says, listen, what are you going to do? A lot of the great companies are public already, and you have to pay up to get them. Now, I think, remember, he's going to be in alliance with Zoom. I think he'll be in alliance with
What does that mean? What do you, when you say that alliance, what are you talking
Well, I mean, if you're with Microsoft, you want Teams and you want their video,
Right.
You
Nice.
can't not have a video option if you're Mark.
So Zoom would come. It would be a formal alliance, or
I
they
think
would
it'll be
work a
formal.
product together in
I
some
think
way that
it
they
will.
go into market with together.
Yes. Remember, the one thing that Zoom's been all alone the whole time, and they haven't had partnerships. They haven't bought anybody. I just think that it'd be very easy for Eric Yuan, who's really good friends, CEO, really good friends with Mark.
Right.
They offer a soup to nuts. You need video now, and that's how deals.
This is the safer play, guys. CBAT all day. Or Catb, whatever the fuck it is.
That's Mark's 360 approach will be Slack. They're waving to each other. There was like the Slack CEO is what Stuart Butterfield, different billion, is waving to Mark in the call.
I got 150 I could still buy. I just don't know where I'm gonna put them.
Yes.
Sorry, Carl, go ahead.
No, I was going to say, I mean, to the degree that we're talking about concerns around the deal, it seems to pivot around what it says about organic growth, right, Jim? The degree to which they're still digesting things like Tableau.
Right.
And then the idea that Benioff said just a few weeks ago that he didn't like the setup in M&A in general.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think that this one came up and you had to be there. This is a property that could have been
Nice.
to other companies. I just think that people have to
Nice,
recognize
nice.
that, as I asked Mark first thing, isn't this just a war with
Nice.
Microsoft?
Nice.
I think it is.
Alhamdulillah, Rab.
And this
Nice.
is important. This is
Nice.
if he's going to have. He wants to pry people away
Bismillah ar-Rahman
from
ar-Rahim, ya Rab.
Microsoft product. He does think
Nice.
Slack's a superior product. I think a lot of people like Slack very
Nice.
much. And Mark wants to be a $500 billion enterprise company.
I'll take it.
He wants to take on Microsoft.
Oh, I got $450 I could still use. Perfect.
Since David, do you remember the LinkedIn deal that Salesforce had, and Satya Nadella came in and broke it up?
Yeah.
Well, do you think that makes for
Nice.
friendship?
May not, but
450 divided by 2.20.
to pay more for a company you get to.
The answer is about
You
204.
don't betray friends. You don't just do that.
Oh, really? I'm not going to do something that I think is in the best interest of my strategic vision for my company because I'm your friend?
Well, David, some things are.
Didn't say friends. I'm sorry. I need this more than you think you need it. If you think you need it so much, you can pay more for it. If you can't, then sorry.
You really think that's the way it should work?
What do I do, guys? Do I keep trading or do I keep not trading? Alhamdulillah, Rab. Alhamdulillah, Rab.
I don't know where I heard that.
I said that to Mark.
She looks like she still wants to uptrend, but let's see.
Listen, he's won plenty of these things.
See?
A good number. Unclear to me whether there really was anybody else in terms of slap out.
Oba.
This was
No, there was
a
no
negotiation between these two companies, but
I think I'm done, fellas. Less is more with this game. Let's save some money for, Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, ooh, this bitch still in motion. Yep.
Amy Weaver, but they did say, I'm told she's a trusted advisor to Mark and a leader who has Mark's trust
Versus Amy Hood. Versus Amy CFO.
of Microsoft.
New.
Guys, there's a little mix today. The banks and energy as a sector.
What did I make today? Definitely less than 10%.
Today, let's get to Bob Masani. Hey, Bob.
Well, let me answer this cocksucker. My fault. I don't mean to use that language. Yo. Yo. Morning, brother. Yo, so I just made my trade profitable, alhamdulillah. But I still got money in the bank to trade with. I don't know what to do. The bitch looked like she's still uptrending, but I collected a quick $100 and actually 87. My fault. I'm capping. I don't know what to do. You think she's still uptrending? I don't know.
It looks like it's making a head and shoulders.
I'm gonna let it play out a little bit longer, but I collected a quick profit, $90. But that's why I was like,
What time frame are you using?
This is a tick chart. This is right here, the 5-minute chart. It's stretched. It's a little stretched right here.
Okay, my son made $100 today.
Real quick, I still got 400 I could invest with. I'm stuck with the cash account, cause
I don't think you should do it, bro.
nah, it looks like it's falling too. Cause look, my deciding factor right here for the YouTube also to know is, let me lower the brightness.
Look at that doji candle. That might be a sign of reversal.
We'll see real quick. I mean, exactly. That's what I'm saying. I'm watching it, but it didn't break this mark. You see right here, it didn't break that on the second attempt. So that's what's bothering me. And it was met by a Harambe. So but yo, no, it's taking off. Yo, it's taking off. 200. Yeah, she looked like she want to take off. Hold up. Yeah. Oh shit, I can't. Hold up. 150. Will it let me in for 150? This is the scary part. Yeah, see, look, it's a fake out. It might be a fake out. I gotta be careful. No, it's not a fake out, nigga.
You don't use support and resistance signs?
I'm using it. I might not join, Kenny. Yeah, fuck it. I'm not joining, no. I don't care.
Bro, don't do it, bro.
Look. It faked out. Look at that. It was looking like it was gonna pop right there.
Yeah,
And then bang, it faked. I'm setting it out. I'm done. I could trade tomorrow. I'm done. $90, alhamdulillah.
You made $100 today. You're Gucci.
I'm Gucci, right? Fuck it, alhamdulillah. Yo, my money militia piece, cause this is what happens sometimes with a small account. You gotta figure it out. What do you wanna do? Yes or no? Yes or no? It still looks like it wants to pop, Kenny. What?
You know what I say sometimes?
What?
I said, as long as you're making more than the average worker on the street, you're good.
Kenny, I think I'm gonna enter, bro. She looked like she wanna pop, dude, and pop hard. Yeah, I'm entering. Damn it, enter me, man. Fill me. What the fuck? 130. Oh god, you know what? I'm out. Too many fake outs, bro. I sound ridiculous right now. My money militia. Once you make your money, get the fuck off. Turn the thing off. You're done. Alright? This is how you give back your shit. Doing what I'm doing. Peace.
Make your money and get the fuck